Alright, I'm about to cook some food. Marquise not here. He was acting like he couldn't cook food last time we was here and about to film. I'm about to make my salmon. I'm about to make me some string beans. And y'all don't need to see what else is in there because then y'all gonna get ideas of what we cooking. Alright. So, I think that's pretty much it. I got my pans ready. Cutting boards are clean for once. I need that Zatarans. I need that pepper. I need that paprika. And I want to say that's it. What the fuck was that? Alright. So.
No.
What?
What the fuck is this?
What?
What are you wearing?
It's a cooking show. I thought I'd like kind of fit the look. You know, I'll be shuffling it up.
No, the fuck you don't. When did you even buy this?
With the few funds that we have, I was like, let me invest it towards the channel. So I was like, let me buy.
So you decided to use the few funds that we do have on a chef outfit.
Yes, and it looks good.
Where mine?
We had to make some cuts.
Fuck you.
But today I'm trying something new because you know what? Under this sexy suit,
Under this wrinkled ass shirt.
I'm fat. So I was like,
He said it, not us.
I'm the people's chef, and I was like, I want to do some fish. So she's like, all right, try this new recipe. So
You said you making fish?
yeah,
Damn, I should call my ex.
no exes were harmed in the making of this video, but
I hope not. You gonna have these people thinking I'm out here fucking fish.
But this is simple. I think this is a simple one. I'm gonna put the ingredients right here, and I mean it's quick and to the point. I think. I was reading the recipe. I think it said like 20-25 minutes. So let's just see. All right. So like I said, this is a simple one. When you prepping this, don't try not to make a mess. We bought this with whatever leftover budget we had after I bought my nice suit, and we got a nice cutting board. But
I'm actually not mad about that purchase.
dude, it's a set. Dude, it's
Wait, what are symbols at? What are symbols? Hold on.
They all over the place, but it's like they each mean for something. We be using them wrong.
Damn, I can't find it.
Exactly.
But this shit like the bread one.
No, that's the bread one.
So why are you using?
Because
So we finally got some nice shit, and you not even using it as directed.
Because it's just the perfect size.
Man, get back to cooking.
All right, man. So we got some black pepper. Pat this dry. You want this dry? Actually, while I'm at it, let me put this on a nice medium high, more towards medium than high. And then you want to put some pepper. Get that nice pepper on there. Not too much. Don't go too crazy with it. Then you want to, that fell out. Then you want to get some paprika. Get that paprika going. Right? And then you want to get some salt.
Can I just say to anybody that's thinking about buying kosher salt, please make sure you get some regular ass table salt. Because you're going to try and put that shit in regular food, and now you biting on sea salt.
I have not had any problems with this yet.
That's because you like buying fancy ingredients.
Yeah.
Yet another place our fucking funds are going.
Well, that's different. You know, we haven't even used this yet. This is new. I bought this just for this recipe.
What the fuck is that?
This Zataran, this black in the season.
No, it ain't.
So when people, so this is one of those moments where you go to somebody's house and they like, oh yeah, it's Cajun. No, it's not. It's burnt. Now, if you got somebody that know how to cook, you gonna see this in their kitchen. I know how to cook. That's why I had to buy it. But this is where
Didn't you just look this recipe up on YouTube?
I had to buy it. This is what you have when you know how to cook.
You said, you know what?
You know, just forget it. But yeah, get your Zatarans blackening seasoning.
This nigga flogging.
And you just put that on there. Put that on there. Make it nice and good. Get that nice.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah. Get that pattern in.
You know what? This for you anyway, so I ain't even gonna try.
Exactly. Get it on the sides. Get it nice. Get the back a little bit. Get that a little bit. And you know what? Now, that's all seasoned up. Put our favorite.
Some Dawn.
The Dawn oil. You just squeeze that in there.
Shout out to the Gulf of Mexico.
So yeah, just squeeze that in there. Don't go too crazy with it.
Shout out BP. We know y'all sorry.
We are deeply sorry. We're sorry.
Go a little bit more.
Damn.
Just a little bit, bro. But you want to get that right. Because you want to cook this slow. You can, like, what I learned from several times I have messed up fish is if you cook it fast, it's going to be dry. It's going to be nasty. You don't want that.
It's going to be dry. It's going to be like, only respond to your text with like, K, LOL. What you doing? Right. Nothing.
Get your salmon. Lay away from me. That's what you want to hear. I like cooking skin side down because it kind of takes away from that direct heat, I guess. I don't know. It's done me well the times I've cooked like that. We don't need that anymore. So now, this is where most of the time like gets wasted, right? Because you got to let this cook a little bit because the string beans I don't think are gonna take long. Like I said, I haven't made string beans ever, and when I used to eat them as a kid, they were out of a can. That's fresh. You learning with me when I cook this. I made salmon before. But this is gonna take a minute. Cook it slow. Make sure it doesn't dry out. Mess around with some butter, some oil. Keep that moist, hydrated. But like I said, let it cook slow, let it do its thing. And we're gonna come back to you once it's kind of ready for the next step.
Hopefully it ain't burnt.
It's not gonna be burnt.
Cool.
Alright, so just so y'all can see, I actually wash my hands when I do this.
Why you show it after? Like, you know what? I ain't even going.
But
I ain't eating this shit.
I mean,
anyway.
let me just show y'all this. This is pretty much cooked. I cooked it nice and slow. It didn't take long. What do you think? Maybe like 5 to 10 minutes?
I don't track time of how long it takes to cook bullshit.
All I know is you can kind of look in the cracks.
If you would stop moving the damn pan, I could show
I'm
them.
sorry, dude. But if you look at it, it looks like it's kind of starting to flake a little bit, especially on that side right there. It's good. It's cooked through. Take the time while this is cooking. Wash your beans.
Wash them beans.
I wash these beans here just so y'all can see.
This nigga eat beans.
Stop it. Those are baked beans.
These niggas eat beans.
We about to chef this up.
Chef up some beans.
So, like I said, wrong one.
Boom.
This cooks pretty darn fast as far as I'm concerned. Just pour that in. Hopefully it goes fast like the asparagus. Right? So,
No strainers were harmed in the making of this video.
I'm gonna just let that do its thing, right? Actually, because I just feel like I want it to steam a little bit. So I'm gonna let that cook. And you know what? I'm gonna do an extra little bit. I'm gonna spice up this. I'm gonna take some of that minced garlic it took me forever to make.
It did take a long ass time. I was just watching them suffer.
I'm gonna just throw that in there too. I'm gonna do a little bit more actually. I'm gonna make like some garlic.
All that garlic. Boy, your breath about to be on 30s, not even 10s.
So I'm gonna let that cook. Do its thing. I'll put this on low. I'm gonna put that on like a medium low. In the meantime, I'm about to make this amazing honey glaze sauce that's gonna have the thumbnail looking popping. So turn this one on.
Best skillet in the house.
No, this one
This
is.
is the best skillet in the
This
house.
one is. This one
This is
is.
the best skillet in the house.
This, you wanna know why this is better? Because this is from Florida.
What the fuck
Daytona
that got to do with
Beach.
anything? Do you know what type of stuff and people come from Florida?
Florida man.
Exactly. You want to cook with what Florida man cooking with?
That's good.
Or you want to cook with some lavish?
This not even. Is this even American made?
It ain't gotta be.
Yeah, boy. That's some bull. Now, like I said, this is a new recipe.
What's wrong with American made products?
It's not from Florida.
What's wrong with American made
This
products?
this is from
What's wrong
Florida.
with American made products? You
Everything.
got something against America?
Baby.
Wow.
All right. So
You
like I
you
said,
saw that look in his eye? He was serious.
I never made this before, so I got the recipe right here.
About to taste like some bullshit.
No, it's not. All I know is that you need a little bit of butter. Put that on there. This gotta cook kind of slow. You want some You want some
soap.
I think I said oil for that. But you want some butter?
No, you said butter.
You want a little bit of oil?
You want some soap?
And then you're gonna let this melt and do its thing together. You want that to kind of coexist in that pan. I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit, just so the butter melt, and then I'll turn it back down. I'm gonna do a little bit more oil. I feel like I came in just a little short. I know on other shows they be like just a little bit of oil.
They be dunking that shit up
They be
in
like,
there. Ugh.
Alright, now that I'm done trying to be funny and meme around.
You were never funny.
I know. These glasses boy, these things are getting ready for a wash. Oh my god. I'm gonna just give up on those. You wanna put your minced garlic? Put that minced garlic in there. Let it do its thing. You want that to, oh man, you can smell it. Let that mix in. Put that fire down a little bit lower. And then, what you want to do,
And then
you need half a cup of honey. I want to be exact with some of this stuff because I feel like at that point,
you can smell it, but that shit stink.
no, this smells good. I mean, it's only butter and garlic.
With two different people, that shit stink to me.
I mean, you don't be eating stuff like that. This is taking forever, dude.
Did you expect the extremely viscous liquid to pour out fast?
Yeah. Alright. Put that in there. You want all of that. You want all of that. We need some more. We need, I think we said it in another video, we need an intern. Cause I ain't trying to wash all these dishes.
That's what we got a fucking
Dishwasher.
a dishwasher for.
Alright, so we got that going. Then we need some teaspoons of water, tablespoons. This ain't nothing, bro. Well, actually, now that I look at it, yes it is. You need 3 tablespoons of water. This is the first time we ever did measurements. But this is my dinner, so I do want it to be good, you know. And then we need soy sauce. That's starting to have a very interesting smell to it. It smells good though.
We're just gonna agree to disagree.
Oh my god, it's not that bad.
I ain't saying it smell like shit, but it don't smell good to me.
That's because you not fancy. You don't like that unique stuff.
You right. I'm a simple man. You give me some meat with some bread.
Some what?
Some meat with some bread.
No, bro.
I ain't say dick meat.
Hey, man. Whatever you do, as long as it ain't upstairs. And then you need some sriracha and some lemon. Oh, shit.
Nigga mouth about to fall out.
Ooh. You want 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
You get a strain in this man, boy.
This bro is so bad. Oh. You want 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. It's in the throat, bro.
Oh, it's in the throat?
Stop it. Stop it. And then you want just a tablespoon of this sriracha. Ugh. You gotta, how does this work? Oh, there you go.
You only take a swig of that, too?
That just tastes like ass. You want a tablespoon of this. Get that on low. Ooh, damn. That's spicy. Now, you want this to cook down and reduce, cause it's a glaze. So
Glazes aren't exactly watery.
yeah, so you gotta let that cook down, reduce, get sticky and whatnot. I don't know how long that's gonna take. I'm gonna just let that bubble and sizzle. Let's take a look at these. I feel like I forgot something. I forgot a tablespoon of something.
Cool.
All right. Now the sauce is pretty much done. Got it on low. You want it dark.
What the fuck is that?
It is good, dude. Trust me. It's dark. I'll put a picture of the recipe just so y'all can see, like, that's basically what it looked like. But now that sauce is good, you want to take your salmon. You just want to put it in there. Because, like I said, it's a glaze. So this is your chance to heat your salmon back up a little bit while you drizzle with a brush. We're fancy. We make small investments. Did you know we even have this?
I have absolutely no reason to use a brush for my food.
It's good. So you want to glaze that joint, boy. Look good.
Debatable.
What? Wait until I put that parsley on it. You're gonna be like, yo, this is top.
Parsley does not save the dish.
Yes, it does. Appearance-wise, it does. This is just for Instagram. I'm an Instagram chef. See, look at that. Make it look. Oh man, on camera it do look kind of bad.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm
like some bullshit.
Get it in the light. Get it in the light or something.
Ain't gonna say shit.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Look at that. In the light, do it look better? All right. So wait until I plate it. Then it's gonna be good.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. See, it's done. Wait. I forgot one thing.
If you pull out some fucking parsley, I swear to God.
Shh. Ooh.
Watch that shit be nasty as hell now that there's some parsley on that motherfucker.
Probably. Alright. Now that the parsley on there. Alright. Now look at that. Look at that. Let me put a light on it. Get some angles. This light don't seem bright enough. That look decent. Nah, that look good. Boy, quit playing with them. Alright. It looks good. Does it taste good?
Oh, I can't wait to see.
I'm about to do an outro before I taste this stuff. So, this is Cooking with Pookie, number 5 or 6, I don't know.
Like 6, some shit.
But yeah, glazed, honey glazed, garlic, salmon with some little butter, garlic, string beans. It looked good. Hold on, let me get the light back on it, because the light helped. Get it at all different angles. It looks good. But I mean, that's it. That's another episode of Cooking with Pookie with like some new additions. And I mean, that's it for me. You got anything to say?
Give us money so I can get one too.
Yes.
Because that shit ain't fair. He got the nice shit.
You gonna get a white one.
Well, I don't want the white one, boy.
But yeah. No,
boy, you see my skin tone? I don't want no white.
Alright, we're gonna fork and a knife. Now, the string beans I'm not too worried about. I've had string beans before.
That's cold for nasty.
No, it's decent. Because I'm really picky with vegetables. This is actually pretty good. Now, let's take a look at the salmon. Let's see how that looks. Flaky. That's flaky, boy. Super flaky. See, look, it's still juicy on the inside. Amazing. Now let's try some.